This is how you make Kung Pao chicken exactly like takeout. Oil, velveted chicken in the wok. Okay, once the chicken's cooked, you can strain it. In the wok, add a little bit more oil, onions in. Now we throw the chicken back. Dried chilies in the wok. Garlic and ginger in. Now we add soy sauce, dark soy, oyster sauce, black vinegar, a little bit of sugar, chicken powder, and now we add a little bit of yum yum. Turn it back on maximum heat. Peanut and green onions. Finish off with potato starch slurry and a little bit of Chinese cooking wine. Now we serve.